If you have a leaky showerhead or are just looking to update your bathroom, replacing a fixed-mounted showerhead with a handheld showerhead is a relatively easy process. You will need a crescent wrench, towel, plumber's tape, and a new showerhead kit in order to complete this project. First, close the drain to prevent parts from falling into it. Also place a towel in the tub to protect it from dropped tools and parts. Be sure to shut off the water supply to prevent water from dripping during the exchange. Next, remove the old showerhead, turning the showerhead counterclockwise. If this can't be done by hand, use a crescent wrench, being careful to not scratch the finish. Remove the old plumber's tape and make sure the shower arm threads are clean. Next, wrap the threads with new plumber's tape. Wrap the tape in a clockwise direction 4 to 6 times around the threads, and then press the tape into the threads. Now it's time to install the new handheld showerhead. First, screw the handheld shower mount onto the shower arm and tighten by hand, but be careful to not over-tighten this connection. Connect the flexible shower hose to the mount and to the showerhead, following the manufacturer's instructions. Place the handheld showerhead into the mount. Turn your main water supply back on and then run water in the shower to check for leaks. If leaks occur, carefully tighten the connections until they are gone, or remove the showerhead and apply more plumber's tape. If you have any questions about this process, call First Rate Inspections at 832-567-5791.